In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund purchases on the Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Refunding any purchases that you have made on an Xbox Series S is a very simple process. In order to do this and make sure that you receive your money back for any game purchases, expansion purchases, visit the Xbox website at xbox.com. In here, sign into the Xbox or Microsoft account where you made the purchase. Afterwards, all that you have to do is using the menu at the top of the screen, go into the support option and then support home. This will redirect you to the support website for Xbox. Now, under the section selection over here, go into subscriptions and billing. You will be redirected one last time to this page where you can find the option to request a refund for digital games under billing and payment updates, so click this option. As of today, this is the only way to properly receive a refund for any purchases that you have made on any Xbox console. As long as you sign into the same Xbox account that was used to make this purchase, you will be able to initiate this process. Keep in mind that you need to fall within these criteria. So the two major criteria for you to be eligible is that the request for a refund needs to be made within 2 weeks of the purchase date, and you can only request a refund for games in which you haven't accumulated a significant amount of playtime. So if the game that you are trying to refund has been played a lot, or you purchased it like a month ago, you will not be able to get the refund. But all you have to do in this page is click sign in and you will be able to find all the eligible purchases that you can request a refund for here. You will notice that my account doesn't have any, but as long as you do, just select them from this list and request a refund. Afterwards, you will be able to see its status whenever you visit this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund purchases for the Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tips. Thank you for watching.